Welcome to an in-depth look at one of the greatest economic stories of the modern era, China's transformation from poverty to a global superpower. In just 4 decades, China engineered an economic miracle that has reshaped the global landscape. But how did this happen? We are talking about lifting hundreds of millions of people out of poverty, achieving growth rates rarely seen in history, and becoming the world's second largest economy. This journey is a testament to strategic economic planning, massive infrastructure development, and a focused push towards global integration. The foundation of this success lies in the pivotal economic reforms initiated in the late 1970s. In 1978, Deng Xiaoping ushered in the era of reform and opening up, changing China's trajectory forever. This involved a crucial shift away from rigid central planning toward more market-oriented policies, gradually integrating China into the global economy. These initial reforms laid the groundwork for China's most famous economic engine, the massive manufacturing boom. The establishment of special economic zones, or SEZs, was key. These areas offered incentives to attract foreign investment, focusing on export-oriented growth. The result? China rapidly became known as the "world's factory," dominating global supply chains in countless industries. Underpinning this industrial expansion was a monumental investment in infrastructure, from high-speed rail to massive ports, efficiently connecting its workforce to global markets. China's economic ascent quickly translated into significant global financial and political influence. A major turning point was China's entry into the World Trade Organization in 2001, cementing its integration into global trade structures. Today, Chinese multinational corporations are household names worldwide, competing fiercely in technology, finance, and manufacturing. China has also become a major global creditor and investor, playing a crucial role in international development and finance through initiatives like the Belt and Road. Despite its success, China's economic journey is still evolving, facing new domestic and global challenges. The focus is now shifting from export-led manufacturing to boosting domestic consumption and growing the service sector, aiming for more sustainable, high-quality growth. Looking ahead, China's economic policies will continue to have massive ripple effects across the globe, influencing everything from trade to technology. To wrap up our exploration of China's epic economic story, the key drivers were clear: bold reform policies, harnessing the manufacturing engine, and deep integration into the global economy. China's economic transformation is a powerful case study, securing its vital and complex place in the 21st century global economy.